Hello and welcome back to the channel English Language Tips. I'm Sangeeta and here I am today with another new video on English idioms. If you want to know what is an English idiom, I had already shared a video on English idioms. You can check that out. The link will be given in the description box. In that video, not only I had shared the description and the definition of an idiom, I had also shared 5 top idioms suitable for students' life. So, without much further ado, let's begin today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing you 5 top motivational or inspirational video that you can implement in your life to get success. So, let's begin. Idiom number 1 of today's video is all things come to those who wait. This means that a patient person gets everything in due time that he deserves. Now, this is an idiom of encouragement. It makes you understand that even if you don't achieve early success, you don't need to be fretful. You don't need to complain. Rather, you must wait, you must keep on doing your work till the end and the success will automatically come to you. So, it is an idiom and proverb of encouragement and you need to keep that in mind whenever you are going out to achieve something. Idiom number 2 of today's video is you have got nothing to lose. This is again an idiom which permeates positive vibes. Now, this means that as you can't make things worse, why don't you take the risk and give yourself another chance? The example could be, you have tried every possible way. As you don't have nothing to lose, why can't you take up this job? So this inspires you that you have nothing to lose in life. So take another chance, take another risk, give yourself another chance to live happily. So you can implement this idiom or this proverb in your life when you will see every possible ways have been tried but you are not getting any ray of hope. Give yourself another chance. If that life is worth taking risk, then give that chance and you will ultimately find success in the end. Let us now come to the idiom number 3. Look on the bright side. Now, as we know, everything in life has 2 aspects, one positive and one negative. This idiom means that we need to be hopeful and optimistic in our life. As if we see the negative side of the life, if we be pessimistic in life, it will kill your internal energy and cheerfulness and you will eventually lose all kinds of hope. So this idiom reminds us that we need to look on the positive aspects of the things in our life. The example could be, yes, you have faced many critical situations in life. Still, you need to look on the bright side. That means that though you have faced too many bad situations in life, still you must look at the positive aspect of everything in your life. And that's how you will gain energy to live life further. Idiom number 4, keep your chin up. This means that you need to be cheerful and hopeful even in the difficult situations. The example could be, suppose the coach is saying to his student that, look, there is one more round to go in the match. Keep your chin up. You can win this match. So this idiom motivates us not to lose hope and inspires us further to fight till the end. Last but not the least, idiom number 5. There is light at the end of the tunnel and the end is in sight. Both these idioms convey similar message of hope and inspiration. This means that the difficult job or the difficult times will end soon. The example could be, you need to work hard for more 2 months because there is light at the end of the tunnel. Or you need to keep your hope alive because the end is in sight. Both these idioms inspire us to hang in there and keep on working till the success comes to us. So these 5 idioms you must implement in your lives to be positive, to be hopeful in these difficult times of COVID pandemic. We need to keep our hope alive among us. So with that positive note, I end this video here. Hope you will like this video. You will be helpful by learning these 5 idioms from this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can share it with your friends and family and consider subscribing to this channel for more such inspirational content related to English language. I'll see you super soon in another video. Till then, take care and happy learning.